Hello, this is Sage.
Hey, hi.
How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. So we've changed Zooms over to be VMware's account, and so someone from our side will have to join and just start the recording. So I'm here starting the recording. I didn't know if Pedro would be here or not, so I thought I'd just jump on really quick and make sure you guys had what you needed. Otherwise,
Cool.
I will be
Thanks.
quiet and be in the background.
All right. Hey, Pedro. Can anybody still hear me?
I'm not sure if Pedro's he might be a mute. Oh wait, he's joining another way there.
Oh, hi.
Okay, sorry about that. My Zoom froze.
Of
Can you hear
course,
me?
right? Yes, we can hear you, Pedro. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you. Hello all.
Hey. By the way, Pablo won't join us today because he's got vacation. Lucky person. And
Awesome.
yeah. So, am I doing the conducting? Yeah, maybe for the start, anyways. Then let me share my screen so we can take a look at the board, but I don't know if there has much changed. I hope you can see my screen now. Let me maximize. Whoops.
Yeah.
Okay, let me maximize this and make it a little bit bigger. So I think I wasn't around last time. We've got nothing in doing, but a bunch of to-dos. Wait a second. There is something unblocked. Oh, salt toaster for stream tests. To be honest, I don't really remember what is the law. Yeah, the golden containers. Pedro, has anything changed there? Probably not, right?
No, it has not.
Yeah, okay. Let's close it real quick. Okay. Anything else that anybody wants to mention? Because I think going through the to-dos, that's pretty pointless.
Yeah, so since the last meeting we had, on our end, we switched to PyTest for pull requests. We are still running run tests and PyTests for branch builds, but pull requests now only run under PyTest, which is a major win, and it took quite some time. There is still some flakiness, and we are addressing it as we identify it. Some of them are just we just inherited that from the run tests. But anyway, whenever we see those, we try to migrate those tests to PyTest to either simplify or improve the reliability of those. So we still have a path for a 100% stable test suite, at least that. But we switched, so that's a major win.
Awesome.
We still have a couple of issues with macOS, but again, this is related to at least this is my conclusion so far. The way we run the tests, and they are related to the TCP transport unit tests that actually make the process spin, and then the test suite just times out on macOS. So I still haven't addressed that, but it's on my to-do list, on the top of the to-do list, which is massive, as always. But yeah, on our end, that's about the news that we have related to testing.
All right, sounds good. Awesome. Do we have anything else from anybody? Because I only have just one small question.
Then fire it.
Okay. I have to test a slow test, and I was trying to run them locally with Knox, and somebody in Slack suggested that I just have to pass -- slow test, I think it was, when running it. But somehow that's not really working for me. Do we have that in the docs somewhere and I didn't find it, or is it just?
So we have instructions about using Knox. I could swear that I added information of how to pass flags to the test
Probably you
runner.
did, but my searching skills failed here.
No, so there's still a lot of refactoring that we need to do to with regards to the documentation. To switch to PyTest, and Knox is just barely covered. So what you need to do is so Knox-E, and that's your Knox session, and then you pass -- and anything after that gets passed through to the test runner. So, for example, Knox-E PyTest, and then, well, that part I think you know.
0MQ, yada yada yada.
Yeah. Then close quotes -- space -- slow tests or test, and then they will work.
Okay, then I will test that again. Thanks, Pedro.
Well, anytime.
Pedro, do you have a PR, an open PR, a draft PR that has some of that documentation, or is it the one from Wayne and hacking? Because I don't know that we have.
I addressed the Knox bit on a PR a couple of months ago, I think.
I know there's a little bit in there. I just didn't know if we had all of it, if there was more in hacking is my question. Not necessarily this, but just what's missing, because I know there's some. So
is it still open?
No, it's merged. I
just wondered. I can actually go look. There's one by Wayne, Jochen, that is if you
that's
type in
open, I think.
Yeah, if you go to search and author for Wayne Werner, he has some in hacking that he's got a draft PR still out there that hasn't been merged. And that has some other stuff in it, but I don't know that it has everything. Yeah, that's the one. I don't remember what has what in it. I'd have to go dive in. Yeah, if you click his link, it will show you some new things.
Yeah, okay, that's a bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is some of this. I will take a look later here. Thanks.
Yeah, but probably what you're missing is that double dash. That's my reasoning.
I think I did it, but maybe I did something wrong. I will check again.
If that still fails, feel free to ping me on Slack, and we'll try to get you through that.
Cool.
I'll try to get you through that.
All right. Do we have anything else?
I have a small question that's not completely related to the testing stuff, but last time we spoke about the possibility of a security working group. Is there any news on that topic?
You know, we haven't made a lot of movement on that, but I did get the paperwork, the small amount of paperwork to Barney Sowood, who is interested in starting that group. And we just haven't made a lot of movement on it. I think everybody's just been busy, but we do plan to start that working group up probably at the beginning of the year. So sometime in January. And I can make sure that, Alexander, if you want to know more about that, that you have that information specifically.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Sure. Yeah. We're looking forward to that as well. And I kind of wish it was faster. There's a lot to do.
Okay.
But yeah, that one should be exciting. Yeah.
Okay. Any more topics?
Not on our end, unfortunately.
All right. Then I would say we are done. Thanks everybody for joining. Have a great day,
Thank
evening, or whatever time you have.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You as
Jochen.
well.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Victor. Bye, Alexander.